Be honest, how many gym tutorial videos have you watched? Hundreds, maybe even thousands. And what do you have to show for it? You haven't made the gains that you've wanted this whole time. You watch these educational videos and get a sense of accomplishment because you now know the most optimal way of engaging the tricep for hypertrophy. And then you walk into the gym and judge the guy who's 5 times bigger than you because he's not doing the bicep curl correctly, or he's cheating a little bit, or he should be doing it for more reps. But while you were watching videos on how to fully engage your bicep and the most optimal exercises, the version of you that will actually put on muscle and change his body is in the gym, or he is cooking up a high-calorie meal, or he's cooking up a high-protein meal, or he's making a protein shake to fuel their muscle growth. Sometimes you just need to turn your brain off a little bit. Throw out all of the optimal knowledge that you've learned and just turn your brain off for a minute. 90% of gains are made by 3 simple things: lifting weights, eating protein, and eating in a calorie surplus. It's easy, really, but overcomplicating it is what is slowing you down. And I know this because it's slowed me down in the past. I know for the first few years of me lifting, even I'll say 4 years, 5 years of me lifting, this is the main thing that held me back. I never wanted to have any food unless it was some elite meal out of a recipe book that I bought. So that meant that some days I would just go without eating dinner, or I would go without eating lunch. I only wanted to do the most optimal exercises in the gym, even if I didn't like them. And that caused for me to be inconsistent in the gym because I wasn't actually looking forward to working out. You must realize the importance of going on this journey while also being able to appreciate and actually have fun and actually enjoy the more important parts of this journey. Making sure you're doing workouts that you actually enjoy, making sure that you're eating things that you enjoy, making sure those meals actually work for you and work towards your goals. Because I think just like you, bro. I think like, oh yeah, I'll be able to make the recipe book meal every dinner. I know it would be hard, but I'll just lock in and I'll just do it because I'm special and I'm the main character. And I'll just use discipline to get through it. But being for real, what proof do you have that you have the discipline to actually do that? Like seriously, what proof do you have that this time it'll work? Last time it didn't, but this time it'll work. It's genuinely like a form of psychosis. You're literally doing the same thing, but expecting a different result. I know this because I wasted so long in that same purgatory, making that same mistake. Stop making things harder for you because you think that you could just do it because you're me. Make life easier, make bulking easier, make the gym easier, then you'll actually be able to be consistent with it. Because bulking isn't a walk in the park, especially if you're someone like me who is naturally skinny. Make your workouts easy to set up. Make them workouts that you like. Make your meals work towards your goals. Make them easy to make and make them tasty. They don't have to be Gordon Ramsay's special lamb cutlets or making some curry from scratch that takes like 20 ingredients. It doesn't have to be that. It can just be chicken and rice and it will get you to your goals. There's only so many times that you can drag yourself to the gym or drag yourself into the kitchen before inevitably you stop doing it. Stop abusing the amount of discipline that you have. Instead, reduce how much discipline it takes for you to actually do those actions that help you reach your goal. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. Watch this video.